Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going through a complete walkthrough of a Quicken Classic Starter in 2025. If you want an easy way to manage your personal finances with classic, trusted tools, this guide is for you. Let's jump right in. Quicken Classic Starter is a perfect for beginners who want to track spending, create budgets, and manage bills without overwhelming features. Once you download and install it, the setup wizard helps you link your blank account safely. After syncing, you will see all your transactions neatly organized. The dashboard gives you a clear view of your balances and spending trends. You can create a custom budget to stay on track, and Quickens reminds us make sure you never miss a bill payment. Reports are simple but powerful, showing where your money goes monthly or yearly. Plus, the software keeps your data securely with encryption. If you need help, Quicken's support and community forums are great sources. Overall, Quicken Classic Starter is a solid choice for anyone starting with personal finance software in 2025. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more clear, participable guides. See you in the next one.